Okay guys, today we have another test for you with the sand car. So we're gonna see how the XRT competes with the sand car. Okay guys, if you watched last XRT's video, you could see that our biggest problem are drive cups. So today I decided to try out the Integy orange drive cups, mainly because they're orange, but also they have this metal ring around them already. So we're gonna see how well these hold up, because the stock Traxxas ones do not hold up to Life of Ballin'. I mean, look at this one guys. I was literally taking it off camera, and look at this, it just deteriorated in my hand. So this one's done for. All right, now we're just gonna get this bad girl sliding in there like that and get it screwed in. I got the drive cups installed here, but that's not the only thing we're gonna be doing to the XRT today. She's gonna be getting some brand new paddles from J Concepts. You know I love my Magmas over here so much. So I was like, let's try out these amazing paddles and let's see how they work. Let's go put them on and go bash. Okay guys, today we have another test for you with the sand car and with the XRT, since everybody says, why don't you just get an XRT? It's 4-wheel drive. Okay, so guess what? We have a test for you for the brand new sand car on his paddles. We also have the new JC Concept Animals here. And these things look mean, dude. So they're way bigger than the Traxxas paddles, way taller. So we're gonna see how the XRT competes with the sand car. Let's get into it. Yeah. All right, let's get us a hill climb real quick, Lynn. Oh. Go. Free shot. Man, you broke my truck.
Good job, Lynn. We're proud of you. That was what we call it, Byron. Good job, Lynn.
The top.
I'm proud of you.
The top.
Have you put the other screws in it yet?
No, why would I put the screws in?
Because you're supposed to.
Why would I put the screws in?
You're supposed to.
You came like that.
Wow.
Look at that. Oh, she stands up. The power wheelies is what's fun with it. Oh. I know it stops good on the pedal. Wing shot. No in-air control, right? Single drive.
Hey. Bigfoot has in-air control. Oh!
Chased the heck out of the road, but that was a good one.
It's flopping around. I hit the brakes. That thing's fun, ain't it?
Oh yeah. There you go.
Yeah! The top flew off. That was dope. Oh.
What are you guys thinking so far? I mean, the sand car is still super fun, but the XRT on these J Concepts are honestly insane. It's standing up. What do you think, Byron, watching it? For which one?
Both of them.
Both of them?
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, you Arma fanboy. Okay, not upside down that time. All right, Lynn, so what did you think about the sand car?
I like it. I just don't like the price.
Yeah,
I mean,
and it being a two-wheel drive?
Two-wheel drive, I mean, you still want to hit the brake in the air, but it helps a little bit, but it ain't nothing like four-wheel drive.
Yep. All right, so now tell me what you think about the XRT on them good old J concept. All right, after this one, let's go over to the ravine. We haven't done that yet. Okay.
I like it when you have it.
All right, guys, so we didn't bring the sand car over to the ravine last time, so let's go try it out.
All right, here we go.
Hey, can we like get him away from my dog for just a second?
Alright guys, let me preface this real quick. This guy at first announces when he is walking by us of saying, hey, don't hit me, I'm walking by. And I say, okay, no problem. So we wait on him. And then he proceeds to go 3 feet next to us underneath the shade to start partaking in 420, if you guys know what that is. So in doing this, he is sitting underneath the tree and we finish up at our spot. So we walk another, 10 feet around to the ravine and you see me do my first jump with the sand car and it lands probably 15 or 20 feet away from him, but he says 5 feet and he starts freaking out. So the best part is he said, I'm trying to play disc golf. He did not have a bag. He didn't even have a disc or anything. It was literally him, his dog, and his 420. So we have never actually had problem with the disc golf people ever. So I'm not even going to label him as a disc golf person. I'm just going to label him as a pothead.
Hey, can we like get him away from my dog for just a second, man? Like, I tried to be respectful when I came up and let y'all know I'm here.
It's good, bro. There's like 400 acres out here.
But I'm trying to play disc golf. He brought it right within 5 feet of my dog.
Okay, have a good day.
Jesus.
Have a good day. So, I lost the shock capsule here. That sucks. Good thing that's just cosmetic and that does absolutely nothing.
There she goes.
Ow. Ouch.
I tried to get a...
I'll go get it in 1 second. All right, watch out, man. I don't want to hit you. She flew pretty good. Oh, what'd you do to my body? Oh no! What'd you do to my body? Oh, you ripped it right there, but I think we did. Wow.
That was a good little plop.
Yeah.
Nice little chunk of earth taken out.
Oh, right on the wheel. That would have been the caliper if I had it. Yes, sir. Oh, that was an arm landing. Did it take that? Wow. Did you take that, baby girl? I mean, the bulkhead's already been broken right there, but I've been running it like that. No issue. Oh, it crumpled the body.
That's okay. Hey, you have a new body at the house.
See, you just lose the in-air control with the two-wheel drive. So, I mean, backflips and all that. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling like people were right about the XRT being better on paddles.
There you go.
The tree kind of helps you.
Jeez.
That's a loud plop. Jesus. Are we okay then?
Yep.
All right, I got you.
Let's go Cinder.
Wheeling off of here.
This is where it breaks.
As he tree shotted it.
Just floor it.
There you go. Hey, you got some tree with you.
Yeah, he brought some bush with him.
It's going to the left, doesn't it?
Ouch. All right, so what do you think about the XRT, honestly?
With the paddle tires, it's awesome.
Yeah, do you think it's better than that one with paddles?
Yes.
Yeah, 100%. So there's a good answer.
More control.
Yeah. I think he just threw a rock on my shoulder all the way over here.
Yeah.
Woo! Twist the roof.
Oh, I do like how it lands on its feet, though.
It does.
The belly flops a lot better.
Still made it up. You got dirt in my filters.
Well, I just wanted to see if this scam's still available.
That's a side shot. Yeah, there you go. Landed one. Cinder bud. Woo!
Hey.
There we go. Hey, that's the first gear problems I've ever had with this XRT.
Now it just goes downhill from here. I'm upset because now it's trash. Gotta go get a new one. Hey, that's awesome.
But one thing though, guys, you just saw the Funko outlast the XRT. That's true though.
I don't know if I'd love that sound if I was you.
Funko, still 100%.
How in the world did the Funko outlast the XRT? That pains me, brother. Well, I don't know now, guys. It was looking like a clear winner was the XRT, but durability-wise, that thing outlasted it. What do you guys think?
Hey, it's time to sell the XRT. Get another one. Because once you have a gear problem, you always have a gear problem.
That's why the M2C motor mount gonna come in handy. Yeah, what do you think, Lynn?
Two-wheel drive, but the only thing I don't like is the air control. I mean, there's a little bit there, but
yeah,
the XRT is definitely better on air control because it is four-wheel drive. But
yeah,
the Funko's definitely got the power though. I mean, it's definitely got the power.
And there's nothing like two-wheel drive 8S. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's insane.
And the durability just shot up the stock market for me on this thing.
So I think what we need is we need that new Copperhead, whatever that new ESC is, the Cobra, that new Cobra castle. It's like 12S or whatever, or 10S.
And put it on this thing?
Yeah, and run 10S. I'll have to run
a 6 and a 4?
Yeah. You think that'll work, Lynn?
Byron was like, math?
Why not go 12S?
Yeah, we can just do four 4S's. I mean 3 4S's. My math was not mathing.
I know. All right, guys. Well, we appreciate y'all tuning in today. So put a comment down below which one you think won. I'm not gonna give my answer. I'm honestly interested to see what you guys think. Thank you again. So guys, a little follow-up video from the XRT and Sand Car, wherever she is over here. There she is. This is what happened. Look at this. I think it's the idler gear. Those are some big teeth that are missing. Big old teeth missing. Somehow, I guess the diff gear took it because she's not even chipped. But yeah, it's just like your local meth head. It's missing some teeth. That's close. Wait. You know, that was the first disc golf person I ever had an issue with.
It's because you're smoking dope.
Yeah. The other ones were like, that's cool as brother.
I know.